Hello. Today we got the Spyderco Slysz Bowie, I don't know, however you say it, Bowie. Got some snail trails. This thing's awesome. Today, I'm going to switch this with this. Got this from Rip's Garage Tech a while ago. Finally gonna put her on. What the heck? Okay. Nothing wrong with this. Holds on pretty good. Holy crap. I think it'd look cool with a titanium clip. Looks like it'll match nice. Just sits in the grooves. Right there. Screw that booger down. What the heck is that? It's garage stuff. Get a little tight. Yeah. Matches nice. Still opens. It's got just enough hole to get some finger in there. Reverse flick. Yeah. I think that looks good. Try it in the pocket. Yep. Clips into the pocket. Little cool. Hi.
Making a video?
Yeah. I'm all done though.
I think it's got to be a mix of smells.